Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to delete all Facebook friends at once. As you can see, here's total 3 friends in my profile. So first of all we need to add an extension, so I'm gonna open my Chrome extension, Chrome Web Store, and click on this chrome.google.com web store. Open this URL and now search here LOC and open this extension. Name is l.o.c. Now click on add to Chrome, add extension. Once downloaded it finished, click here, and now here we can see the extension. Now pin this from here, and after that cross this web store and click on this extension here, and here we can see my profile picture, and here your profile will be automatically added in this extension. So after that you have to click on tools and now click on friends remover. After that, here we can see my total 3 friends here. To remove all these friends at once, I'm clicking on this checkbox icon, and here we can see all my friends have been selected. Now I'm clicking on bye bye. Are you sure you are about to remove 3 friends? Now I'm clicking on unfriend, and here you can see my older friend have been unfriended. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.